It's match number 46 of the Indian T20 League. It's Kolkata versus Punjab in Sharjah. Who do you want your fantasy 11 to play like? Kolkata, depend on luck, or like Punjab, win big? I'm sure you want to win big. And to help us do that, Sanjay Manjrekar joins us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo. हमेशा की तरह हम एक प्रो टिप से शुरुआत करते हैं, तो ध्यान से नोट कर लो, याद कर लो, लिख लो. As the pitches are slowing down by the day, have enough spinners in your 11 along with top order batsmen as the game is in Sharjah. Spinners have picked up 12 wickets here at an economy of 7.4 in the last 5 games. Mr. Manjrekar, मैं सही कह रहा हूँ?
Absolutely. Actually, ये शो करने के पहले I also asked the brilliant stats team of ESPN Cricinfo कि मुझे जरा बता दो कि स्पिनर का इकोनॉमी रेट क्या है शारजा में एंड अभी लास्ट हफ्ते में. तो आज के मैच में भी दोपहर का जो मैच चल रहा था तो मैं देख रहा था, वहां पर भी कप्तान अभी सीमर्स को बोल रहे कि आप जरा आराम कीजिए and they're getting spinners into the playing 11. So it's seeming a little more and more like the Indian Premier League.
ये सुनकर हमारे फैंटेसी प्लेयर्स बड़े खुश होंगे कि भाई हम तो बैठ के सिर्फ ज्ञान सुनेंगे, हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स मेहनत करेंगे, स्टैट्स टीम से बात करेंगे, हम सब कुछ दे देंगे आपको अगले कुछ मिनटों में. देखिए ऐसा है कि अपडेट देना पड़ेगा ऑन प्लेयर अवेलेबिलिटी. मयंक अग्रवाल शुड बी बैक फॉर दिस फिक्सचर व्हाइल आंड्रे रसल इज सेट टू मिस दिस वन एज वेल. ऑल अदर प्लेयर्स आर अवेलेबल फॉर सिलेक्शन. एक और बार याद दिला दे वो बात जो मैं रोज कहता हूं, इस गेम के रूल्स अब तक आपको याद हो जाने चाहिए थे, लेकिन फिर भी चलिए बता देता हूं. Please note that every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket keepers, and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. केएल राहुल होंगे हमारे कप्तान. एक आध मैच में उनका स्कोर थोड़ा सा कम रहा है, लेकिन जिस तरह का फॉर्म ज्यादातर रहा है, मुझे लगता है कि एक बड़ी इनिंग्स आने को है. He scored the most runs among all Punjab batsmen against Kolkata since 2018, and we believe this is when the captain of the team and the captain of your team will turn it up. You've got to pick him in your side. Eoin Morgan will be our vice captain. Now, he's been a shining light among all Kolkata batsmen. He's arguably been the most consistent batsman, scoring 30 plus in majority of their games. He now has 295 runs this season at a strike rate of 129. His average of 37 is also the best among all Kolkata batsmen. Why wouldn't you pick him? Just hope he bats up the order so that he gets more deliveries to face. KL Rahul, Eoin Morgan, captain, vice captain. Nicholas Pooran, who's fast building a reputation as a white ball T20 superstar of the future. He's shown that spark, plays excellent cameos. He scored a couple of 50s so far in the tournament. His strike rate in this season in the middle overs has been 174. Trust him to go after Kolkata's bowling attack. Mohammad Shami has been fantastic for Punjab this season. He's bowled well up front in the power play and has come back to close innings off at the death as well. He's picked up 5 wickets in the power play this season at an economy of just over 7. We believe he'll do well. Ravi Bishnoi is the last name. He's been very clever with his lines and length, as well as varying his pace as well. He's picked up 10 wickets in the tournament so far at an economy of under 8. Back this young man, he could give you great returns. So KL Rahul, Eoin Morgan, Nicholas Pooran, Mohammad Shami and Ravi Bishnoi are the top picks. Nicholas Pooran deservingly so in the top picks, Sanjay?
Absolutely, and we all of us who had seen him before felt that it was just a matter of time before he sort of unveils himself to the Indian Premier League, and I'm glad that Indian fans have seen the talent that this guy has. It's just a matter of time when he matures that we'll see more of those big innings, seeing his team through. But we've seen some just amazing shots played by this guy. So Pooran was somebody that we all thought is a talent in a different league, and what he's done this IPL surprises no one who have seen him before.
Right, we've got a couple of differential picks as well. Varun Chakravarti, the bowling star of his team's last win, picked up 5 wickets in that game against Delhi, and that must have taken his confidence to a new high. He now has 12 wickets, the most for Kolkata at an economy of just over 7. Murugan Ashwin is the other differential pick. He has impressed in every single game he's played this season. Might have stayed under the radar, not as talked about as the other more glamour names, but he's picked up 8 wickets at an economy of under 8. We believe he is a vital cog for his team in the middle overs, and he will do well in this game. Now you know who the 7 players are, 5 plus 2. Let's now give you a full look at our 11. KL Rahul, Nicholas Puran, the 2 wicket keepers. Nitish Rana played a terrific knock in that last game, joined Chris Gayle and Owen Morgan in the batsman group. Sunil Narayan is the only all-rounder. We're going in with 5 bowlers, which includes Varun Chakravarti, Murugan Ashwin, Ravi Bishnoi, the 3 spinners, joining Mohammad Shami and Lockie Ferguson, the 2 pace bowlers. But if you look at our substitutes, Pat Cummins bowled pretty well in that last game. Glenn Maxwell's poor run of form with the bat continues and so doesn't find a place in the 11. Mayank Agarwal in the subs and so does Shubman Gill. Who are you most surprised with seeing in the subs?
I would have maybe liked to see somebody like Maxwell in the scheme of things. Only because he's now become a guaranteed 4-over bowler, so there's always a wicket around the corner to get some points. And people are waiting for that one innings, which could come on the same night as well. So Maxwell could have been interesting pick as an all-rounder, not just as a batsman. Otherwise, I think it's spot on what you guys have got.
And we've gone in with Sunil Narayan over Maxwell as the only all-rounder. But guess what? On Shubman Gill, we've got an alternate scenario for you. His form has dropped significantly in the last few games, but his last 50 came against Punjab, and he is an option to replace Nitish Rana. It's a tough call. Most people will perhaps go with Rana. But if Kolkata bat first, have both Rana and Gill, and you can perhaps look at leaving out Puran simply because there's a higher chance for the Kolkata top-order batsman to face more balls. Now, we've got a third opinion for you, which is the high-risk 11. Let's take a look.
Well, my high-risk 11 has Dinesh Karthik instead of Chris Gayle. Karthik's been on and off, but I think if they get his position right, he will do extremely well. Glenn Maxwell instead of Ravi Bishnoi and Pat Cummins instead of Murugan Ashwin are other 2 changes. Why Maxwell? Well, because Maxwell's going to be very deadly with the ball this time. There are 3 left-handers in Nitish Rana, Owen Morgan and Sunil Narayan. So Maxwell will come to the party if he doesn't do well with the bat. And then Pat Cummins, well, just when we thought he's fading away, he's been doing very well. Pat Cummins took the wicket of Ajinkya Rahane the first ball, and he bowled very well in the power play. So watch out for Pat Cummins. And my final change is Ashdeep Singh instead of Lockie Ferguson. Ashdeep Singh has been a revelation this season. He bowled very well against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Expect him to pick a lot of wickets in the depth. Finally, my captain is going to be Nicholas Puran. Well, Puran's been the best middle overs batsman in the competition, and he's been striking the ball very well. And this game is in Sharjah. My vice captain is Nitish Rana. Well, he just started picking up form again. He was sent in as an opener. I expect him to continue his good form.
Right, Manic Monday coming up. To make sure it's a magic Monday, think of all that we've told you. Look at our 11, think of what Sanjay said, and look at what the high risk 11 has as well. Mix all of that and get a big solid team ready. Win lots of prizes. For now, thanks Sanjay for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket Flow.